Hi, I'm Stephanie from the Manlius Library, and welcome to this video demonstration for the March Take and Make kit for adults. Your kit will contain a glass vase that I found at the dollar store, a paintbrush, 2 ounces of Mod Podge, and various colors of tissue paper. First, cut the tissue paper into whatever shapes you would like. I find it's best to use simple shapes like squares, rectangles, circles, triangles, that sort of thing. Next, paint the glue onto the area where you would like to add the tissue paper. Try to apply the Mod Podge evenly across the area. Then you can add the tissue paper and paint another coat of glue over the tissue paper. And continue the process until you're completed. I decided to use a stripe of each color going up the vase here. Once the vase dried a little, I added a second coat of glue, and if you like, you can spray it with glaze. However, I did not. Let your vase dry completely overnight. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy making your stained glass tissue paper vase.